Hello, this is Saurav and this is the 8th experiment of C-Sharp and .NET Programming Lab, and the topic for the experiment is threading and synchronization. So here, as you can see, the aim of the program is to write a C-Sharp program to perform a ticket resolution system by using the concept of thread and synchronization. So what is a thread? A thread is defined as the execution path of a program. Each thread defines a unique flow of control. If your application involves complicated and time-consuming operations, suppose few applications are there, which consumes a lot of time, and so we can use thread in that, which can be helpful in the execution, and can also which like each thread will be assigned a particular job and will be doing it. So it's going to be helpful in that process. Threads are lightweight process. One common example of using thread implementation of concurrent program, like suppose concurrent program by modern operating system. So we have one program lined up. So each thread handles one of the program and handles one of the program, and as it gets into space, it is executed. So use of thread basically saves the wastage of CPU cycle and increase efficiency of an application. So here we come for the thread cycle. It has basically four steps: the unstarted state, the ready state, the non-runnable state, and the dead state. So the life cycle of a thread starts when an object or system dot threading dot thread class, which is this is basically a class system dot threading dot thread is a class which we'll be using, is created and ends when the thread is terminated or completes its whole execution process. So the first state, this is the unstarted state. It is the situation when the instance of the thread is created but the start method is not created. We have defined the instance but it has not been started yet. The ready state. It is the situation when the thread is ready to run and waiting for the CPU cycle. And the third is non-runnable state. Thread is not executable. Thread is ready. It is in ready state but is not runnable. Like sleep method has been called, or wait method has been called, or blocked by input output operations. So there can be different consequences of it. Now after that, the dead state. It is a situation when the thread completes execution or it is aborted. So this is all about thread. Now when it comes to synchronization, synchronization is particularly important when threads access the same data. It's surprisingly easy to run. Like around in this area, synchronizing constructs can be divided into four categories, like simple blocking method, blocking constructs, signaling constructs, and no blocking synchronization constructs. Synchronization in thread. Synchronization is needed in thread when we have like multiple thread that share the idea, multiple thread using the same data. Okay, so that case we can use synchronization. We need to provide synchronization access to the data. We have to deal with synchronization issues related to concurrent access to variables and objects accessible from multiple threads at the same time. So this was the concept about thread and synchronization. Now let me come to the program. Well, this is the program of thread and synchronization what I'm done. So again, it is as it is a ticket reservation that was written here. So perform a ticket reservation by operating concepts of threads and synchronization. It is a ticket reservation in the program. So here we are using is the bus ticket reservation program. Here this is the header files which is there. So first is the class is bus, as we are using the bus reservation system. So here we have declared an array of int seats. Seat is the array name of 20. Like we'll have 20 seats available. Now we have declared few of the index, and now here we are starting the thread. Thread t equals to, this is the name of the first thread, t equals to new thread, and thread dot thread start, new thread start check seat. So this is the operation we'll be doing for the checking seat. So t dot start the thread, and t dot join it with the main thread what has been created. And in the second case, if we go, it will be booking ticket. So that thread is thread t1 equals to new thread start booking book ticket. So this is the second option. Here again we are starting the thread and joining with the main part of the thread. Accordingly, we are making third thread which will be working for deleting the ticket. So this is check seat. Now if we go for the options, we'll once suppose you get the interface, we'll get few options like booking, book seat, check seats, and delete tickets. So book check seat, if you see when you select the stage, like how many seats are available. So it's going to tell you this thing retrieves from the array of the elements I to 0, whatever the free elements are, retrieve and count the number of the elements which are free in it. Now a second, if we go for booking ticket, so booking ticket obviously will ask you for your numbers, like your same thing. String seed, here we are taking the input from the user. So we are, whatever the input we are taking, like his personal name, the mobile number, email ID, and the age, we are taking an input and putting in the storing in the array. So this is the, and then this for display, like whatever the information or the seats have in book, so we'll be displaying the same information over there. And this is delete ticket. Suppose someone wants to cancel the ticket or something, so we can use this, and where he has to use this particular function, this delete ticket, and here you can enter the person name and seat and can easily describe about it. So first, this, as I told you, it's a menu-driven program. So these are the menus of it. Like once you console, you get all of these, and accordingly, whatever the option you press, it'll go to the that particular case state, switch cases. So now let me show you the output for the program. Yeah. So as I told you, you get three options. So first, my choices. I will check the available seats. So first is, yeah, 20 seats are available over. Let me do it full screen. Yeah. So 20 seats are available over here. 20 seats are available. Sorry, I just clicked something, I believe. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah. Now, what I will do is I want to book the ticket. So I put 2 as input. Now enter the seat number. I want to book seat number 2, believe. Okay. First name, Saurav. That's my name. Uh, okay. Mobile number 8124947809. Yeah. An email ID SAURAV Saurav at the rate of something.com. Okay. In the page 21. So this is the output, well, like whatever the input user has given. So this is the e-ticket reserved for us. Now again, suppose now I'll show you the available seats. So obviously, as I booked seat number 2, so seat number 2 is coming as booked. Now if I want to cancel the tickets, so I'll put 3 person name. I want to cancel my ticket, so I'll put my name Saurav, and seat number was 2. Your ticket has been cancelled. Now let me check the available seats. Now this all state is free. So that's why we're using thread and synchronization in it. That's all. That's for the program. Thank you.